Abusua mu akwaba. Yamu akwaba ba MPP dashboard. MPP dashboard there. We talk about issues of politics. Issues about MPP politics. Issues about Dr. Bawumia. Senior beya a month for beba beti yen ase. Norma electi Dr. Bawumia as the incoming president after January 2025. Abusia, ene issue a yɛde beto so ane discuss simple. We are talking about galamsey. Abusia, for the past month, the whole of September, the ekoso ewo Ghana has is all about galamsey. Na me say galamsey issues no yewo enkrofo bi mu wo ho a say they have no moral authority to talk about galamsey. NDC have no moral authority to talk about galamsey, especially judging from how they have behaved in the past, especially how they treated the galamsey fight when they were in power, how they treated galamsey fight when MPP rose up to fight galamsey. Na abusia ene me bekan issue 1212 bi akyerɛw na wahunu sɛ eba galamsey fighter MDC has no issue to talk about. Abusia yɛbɛkan a 2016 Nana Akufo-Addo eba aban mu. After 2016 ena Nana Akufo-Addo bɛka sɛ ɔno ɔde ne presidency ebeto hɔ na wa make sure say obe fight galamsey. Abusia, the issue as was being prosecuted in say Nana Akufo-Addo MPP aban any media, we all put our ass together and ensured say yebetimi a fight galamsey. Abusia, you would see say the government put in place a task force. Abusia, the government put in place a task force. Sa task force was tasked with ensuring say they will go to galamsey sites. They will ensure say galamsey sites are rid of instruments and also machines yade galamsey ewo oman mu. Abusia, task force did their work very well. They did their work very well. Afe uko galamsey sites, they were gradually clearing the galamseyers from the galamsey sites. Abusia, omochichi excavators, omochichi champagne. Afe kura no omochichi nipa a omoye involved in the galamsey. Abusia, that is what happened when Nana Akufo-Addo put his presidency on the line and then decided say obe putting all the efforts towards fighting galamsey. Abusia, say NDC have no moral authority to talk about galamsey. Say NDC have no moral authority to support people omoye galamsey demonstration ene mebechero. Abusia, once all these task force activities were going on, enya NDC nkrofobia omusoriginal say no. Abusia, they will not allow the galamsey fight to go on. Abusia, they will not allow the galamsey fight to go on. Yenya enkrofobi mua, abusia, yenya NDC foa, omusori ejina ese, omubekun ama galamseyers, omubekun, omubejina and defend galamsey. Abusia, edidimua na sa galamsey fight no, it fizzled out of the system. So at the meeting, it fizzled out of the system mainly because NDC4 were making the government unpopular. The agenda that the government was prosecuting for galamsey, no, NDC4 decided to make the government unpopular. Abusia, the government saw it to put in place a task force and then to arrest the Galamsey menace. Abusia, NDC4 decided to play politics with it. We have all the videos, we have all the voices. Abusia, ene yabebo bi achrew. Yabekin kan bi nso achrew. Amu ahunu se John Mahama otu adi Galamseyers achi ose omonko no omonko enkoye demonstration no. He has no moral authority because at the time when the Akufo-Addo and the government were fighting Galamsey, Mahama and his people, NDC and his people decided to play politics with it. Some NDC media people decided to play politics with it. Abusia, enti saa enkrofue se enne omo beka kire yen se yemma omo kwan no omo nsa medi aban so ne se omo ba omo beba abaye Galamsey a de me ka kire woni se omo pe wo vote nti ene omo ka saa ensam ne kire wo omo pe wo vote nti ene omo ka saa ensam ne kire wo ne se omunya wo vote wi a they will turn around and come and tell you another story. They will turn around and come and tell you another story. Yes, say ye two mira ni achiresi na me pese ye tie Suhini, Honorable Suhini, oye member of parliament at the time Akufo-Addo ene MPP government kutia Galamsey no. At that time, yentie die Suhini eka kire Ghana for. Yentie die Suhini eka kire Ghana for. Yentie.
The law. That is the jungle operation. And you will expect a president with his, level of knowledge of the law to know better.
See?
We are not in a state of emergency. The president has not declared a state of emergency. And so he cannot be operating as if he is a law unto all of us. Parliament passed the law. The law stipulates what should be done. If he has a problem with the law, based on whatever experience he has had, based on how his own people have not been able to, shun corruption and live above reproach, which as a result...
Abusia, samwati, ose, abra government, abra Akufo-Addo, fight Galamsey no, or making about say, the government and I said the president has no authority to be doing or chichi amount for sana NDC for and making the argument. That was their argument at the time. Say the president has no authority to be doing that. Say amount for yo majuma Galamsey size. Na government at the soldiers, government at the military police, government at the police omajuma. That is what Suhini is saying. Enti se ene NDC ni bia be kachira wo se ye jai anase MPP for ajai ama yensu asaya abusia kachira ne say we were doing it and you people came and tell us that we had no moral authority and I said we had no authority to be doing that. Suhini enumutuo ene woka so ate de metre no Suhini na enumutuo ene woka eno nti se NDC fo be ka kire wo se monto mo aba mano ne se obeba aba ye wonsuo yi a abusuya. This is their thinking. So ate de metre no, this is their thinking. Yento Suhini nkomo no so
led to the missing excavators in the past, and he can't trust them with the excavators again. And he wants a better approach. There's a process to follow. He can't just decide that he can change the law to suit him as president and his government.
Unacceptable for them to do that.
Abusia, those times yechichi amountful excavators. Those times yeji amountful infidia omudia kwako si insuo no so. Amountful champagne omudia kwako si insuo no so no. Those times na MPP aban echichi esan eji saa esizi saa enema no. Abusia ye busa se senka ye toko so na nke ye saa ayina. Wouldn't we have made some improvement? We would have made a major improvement. And so we had the thinking of NDC4. They were questioning and also maligning and politicizing everything. So at the mention, they were politicizing everything and making the government unpopular. And then NDC4 John Mahama ene ne nkrofo a beba beka kire ye say yensuo essay. Where were you when we were dealing with it? Did you support us? You went about politicizing it and making the government unpopular. Ene Senana Akufo-Addo akakakra bi na se ye beto aba ono na nkocheche eye amanfo. Okochichi womwa, it will make him unpopular. It will make Dr. Bawumia unpopular. Enunti onko yes adwuma no. Abusia yento aso.
What I have said, and maybe for emphasis sake, I think the president must pipe down. He must not take
Abusia ose the president must pipe down. Chese the president has to stop. The president must pipe down. The president has to stop what he was doing at the time. NDC4 anumutung. NDC4 anumutung. Empenyi si kwaterekwa si obema wontuma tienidin. Kwaterekwa si obema wontuma tienidin. NDC4, they have shown say they are more interested in power more than say we are working for the people. They are more interested in power. They will politicize everything. Eduru say ye beto abadia, then you push people onto the streets. You push people onto the street. Me makase se woko ye gidigidi na se ye chill. Just because say NDC for na share chire na se ye chill a abusia wujejireje Stonebwoy ne kan asem wujejireje wa na akofa baaye wujejireje yentie eye Suhini bio because si Suhini ensema okaye no eno na adidimu aba beduru saa mre ya NDC for I'm saying on authority say you people have no moral right in this country to talk about issues of eye galamsey because when Akufo-Addo was dealing with it, you people said he was causing trouble to the people. When he was dealing with it, you said he was destroying human rights.
Not take criticisms that are aimed at improving this fight as anti-stance against the fight. I have said that this, burning of excavators, one in itself, also creates some level of pollution on the water bodies. When you go and destroy these champagnes and you leave the debris in the water bodies, that is another form of pollution you are creating.
Abusia, senka yetoa saa tax force no so a enka sabre our water bodies would have been free. Enka yetoa so a enka our water bodies would have been free. And so NDC for say omon pesa. NDC for say omon pesa. Omo ene hyehyɛ amanfo achi. Omo ene hyehyɛ organized labor achi. Ena pushi womu, omu pushi womu. But when the fight was enforced some time back, they ran away and started pointing fingers, started politicizing BBR. Me can't MPP communicators, me can't MPP. Omudi Dr. Bawumiachi say, you people should go on about your campaign. Don't even allow NDC to be setting the agenda for you. So at the mention, you should get to the villages and send these videos to the people and let them know, say, it is the NDC that has failed Ghanaians. Abusia, yes, MPP dashboard. We talk about issues for the MPP. Send no first time one. Yes, like video, na subscribe. Send no first time one. Yes, share na obi NTB